Today we're looking at the G4 Pro hand grips for the MetaQuest 3 or MetaQuest 3S. When it comes to grip accessories for MetaQuest controllers, these were not on my radar originally. However, due to Kiwi Design sending me these free of charge, why the hell not would I try them out? And then also on top of that, since becoming a MetaQuest 3 user, the active straps, game changer. I really loved these. I loved how they connected to the actual controller itself and makes it kind of feel a little bit more like an extension of your hand. With that said too, there is quite a lot more technology that they've put into these new controllers. So you do want to keep them safe. You do want to keep them protected. And yeah, so I'd be fibbing if I told you I wasn't excited to give these a go. Now, because these are a freebie, I'm not sure if I've been given a returned version or whatever, but Kiwi Design have sent me ones with a cracked box and it's been taped up a little bit. Kiwi Design aren't sponsoring me. I don't take sponsorships on this channel for doing videos like this. I really like when it comes to looking at products and trying them out to give my full honest opinion. So I feel like avoiding sponsorships and cash incentives is the best way for me to keep it 100 with you. And yeah, that's what I'm doing today. And if you want to see what's inside the box, stick around. Alrighty, here we go. We're unboxing the G4 Pro hand grips from Kiwi Design. As I was mentioning before, the box is a little bit tattered. Let's get some scissors. Cut the sleeve off. As expected with Kiwi, we've got the cardboard box. And when we open up, this is what is inside. Ooh. So they're a nice, sturdy, rubbery feeling material, or silicone. We've got the grip handles. These look very similar to the ones that Meta have brought out. You just adjust them for your hand size. Quite simple and straightforward. This has got a nice elastic feel to it. Very comfortable from the outset. Ooh. So that's the actual grips. They feel very good quality, just straight out the box. What else have we got? Instruction manual, as per usual. And we also have this little box here. Not really sure what's inside this. Let's go and have a look. Some sort of spare part by the looks of it, I'm guessing. Okay, interesting. What are these? So judging by the instructions, these are little pull tabs. I'm guessing that they help release the battery nice and easily once you've installed this on the actual controller. Let's get our controllers and find out. Ta-da! Okay, here's my MetaQuest 3 controllers. They've got my current Meta active straps on them. Let's remove these. Okay, take the battery out. Second battery. What we're gonna do is put the pulley tab first. This is me completely guessing, by the way. I actually have no idea if this is the right way to do it. Pop the battery in. Yeah, the pulley tab goes right under there like that. And then I'm guessing this black bit clips in. Beauty, just like that. Beautiful. This is all quite intuitive while I'm doing this, by the way. Great. Second one in. Now we're going to insert this guy in. Glides in nice and easily. This lip goes around the top of the controller and it fits in nicely like that. Ooh, that is a very sexy feel. And then what we've got here, let's just remove this tab out of the way for a minute. So we've got this bulky bit and I'm guessing that this pops in over the top. Yep, hear that click. So it seals the battery off. Wow, it feels premium. Really cool. For anybody that wants to keep the white wrist straps on as well, there is a compartment or a little hole down the bottom here where you can still put that in and dangle it out the bottom. Very nice. Now let's put the other one in. Make sure that that's shut properly. Beautiful. Yeah, I like these. I'm liking the idea of these better just by default because they're covering the whole controller and keeping the controller itself protected. These obviously were an addition and they helped keep the controller more secure in my hands, but these add that next level of protection and also feel really premium, like I was just saying before. And these are little spare battery tabs to help pull them out. Let's actually test that feature while we're here. Let's say you want to change your battery. You open the flap door here. That tab definitely does sit under the battery. This is designed to be able to withstand a bit of tension. So you give it a nice hard pull and the battery pops out, just like that. Once you take your battery out, you get your new battery, come back in, make sure the tab sits under it, slide it in, and off you go, back in business. Yeah, that's a really cool feature, actually. I like that. So first impressions, straight out the box. Yeah, I feel like these are a really premium upgrade for your MetaQuest 3. Obviously, I still need to test them out, and I will be discussing more about that in my review that I do on these guys. But yeah, so far, so good. I was already a fan of the MetaQuest active straps, so it's no surprise that I am also a fan of these. The fact that these have been Meta approved as well, it means that Meta have actually tested these out and they've given them the thumbs up. So that also gives me high hopes that I'm really going to enjoy these during gameplay. So if you want to stay up to date with that and all my other MetaQuest 3 content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.